Okay, so at Jani-Serv, goals are really important to us. Here is the way that we visualize our goals. So we have goals of growth. We want to get more businesses to clean, hire more employees, and make everything we do here worth it. So we have all of this visually on our bookshelf. Here are all our potential people. So we keep track of who are we contacting and how many of those people. Then up here we have all of our small businesses, and we just consider that to be anyone who is getting a cleaning for about $500 to $2,500 per month. So all of our businesses here. Then we've got our medium customers. Our medium customers bring in anything over $2,500 and underneath $5,000 a month. Here are all of our employees. Each of these has a name on the back and represents an actual person who works here. And then at the very top here, we have our large businesses. These are businesses that we charge $5,000 or more per month to clean, just based on their square footage and the unique needs of that property. So that's how we visualize. We want to make sure that we're constantly getting new large customers, medium customers, and small customers, so we can keep hiring more people here.